Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change or delete your recovery phone number in Gmail. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to click on this setting gear icon over here and select see all settings. Now you just need to select the account and import option, and now select change password recovery options. Now you just need to scroll down. Here you can able to see the recovery phone number over here. You just need to click on it, and now you just need to enter your password. And now add or edit a recovery phone number you have on this list. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, you guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.